People's Partnership chose to sponsor the large renovation project category as part of the 2023 Master Builders Award because we feel that it celebrates the ingenuity and innovation of master builders. We recognise and appreciate how much combined know-how, new pioneering methods and hard work goes into the construction and outstanding projects that we're going to honour and celebrate at the awards. One of the key highlights of working with the FMB so far was our honour of celebrating the FMB's 80th birthday by sponsoring the birthday reception at the House of Lords back in September 2021. Given that we've worked together for so many years now, it was fitting to play such a significant part in this event, and we at People's Partnership also turned 80 a year later.